Every girl, every boy, come on, open up your eyes. There's a world right here, full of wonder and surprise.
Let's go and find the Fimbles!
Fimbles, Fimbles, Fimbles.
We're the Fimbles!
Fimbles,
Linda!
Fimbles,
Glory!
Fimbles.
Oh! We're the Fimbles!
Sing along with Fimble, Florrie, and Baby Pom.
Sing along! Fimbles! 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 We're the Fimbles!
Every day we'll find and play
In the wonderful world, in the magical world of the Fimbles!
Oh, hello. It's bath time. I've had a lovely bath, and Florrie's having her bath, and it's Pom's turn next.
No, Pom not want bath. Pom not like bath. Oh, Pom, baths are lovely.
Yes, they're all warm and splashy.
And they make your stripes go tingly. No. Rub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dee-scrub.
I love bathing in my tub.
Come on, everyone, let's splish, splash, splosh.
There's nothing to beat a really good wash.
Rub-a-dub my nose, scrub between my toes.
I'm going to smell as fresh as a rose.
Come on, everyone, I think you know what I mean. It feels so good when you're really squeaky clean.
See? Baths are great.
Come on, Pom. No, no bath. Have the cat's Pom. Pom not like baths. Yuck! Lots of bubbles, and the bubbles up Pom's nose. You want to hear that? Pom know what that is. Oh, the flowers on the tinkling tree. Oh, look at the tinkling tree. Tinkling tree telling Pom something. Look! Pom's fingers are tinkling. Oh, your fingers are tinkling too. Just a little bit. You want to see your fingers twinkling? Oh, look, Pom's nose winkling. Oh, your nose winkling too. You feel your nose winkling? Look, Pom's nut twitching. You're not switching too. Can you feel your nut twitching? Oh, that's the Fimbling feeling. We're getting the Fimbly feeling. We're going to find something. Hooray! Feel a tickling, hear a sound. There's something waiting to be found. Where is it? Where is it? What could it be? Something over there. Let's go and see. There's something to be found. Where's it? Here? Oh, no. Here. No. Oh, you won't see it. Ah, you won't see it. Oh, point. There it is. We found it. helping, Pom? Oh, look, that's a doggy.
Hello, Poppet.
Hello, Bessie. Look, Pom Fimbly fine doggy.
Oh, yes, a toy dog.
Pom stroke doggy.
Oh, yes, you can stroke it.
Look, Bessie.
Oh, yes, it's nodding. It's saying hello.
Hello, doggy.
You nod your head to say,
Has.
and you shake your head to say,
No.
oh, wonderful, Poppet. Shall we have a look and see?
Oh, yes, please, Bessie.
Then come with me. Come and see the big wide world. The big wide world.
We wave our hands to say hello. No thank you, no drink for me. Yes, please, I would like an apple. Bye-bye. Nod head to say yes.
And shake your head to say no.
Sing, sing.
Nod your head to say yes.
Shake a head to say no.
Yes, no, yes, no, that's what it's all about. Nod your head like this.
Shake a head like that.
Yes, no, yes, no, shake it all about. Shake it, noddy, noddy. Shake it, noddy, noddy. Shake it, noddy, noddy. Yes, no, shake it all about.
Yes. Doggy say yes. Oh, doggy clever.
Well, have fun nodding. Chirry bye.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hey! Hello, Pumpity Pum.
Hello, Rocket.
Hello. Ooh, who's this?
Pom Fimbly find Stoggy.
Ooh, why is it nodding at me?
Saying yes, Rocket.
Oh, yes. Nodding your head means yes, doesn't it, Pum?
Yes. And shaking a head means...
Yes?
No. Shaking a head means no.
Oh, yes.
No is no.
Yes.
No, Rocket. Shake head is no.
Oh, I get it.
Sure?
Yeah.
Listen.
You nod your head to say yes.
Shake a head to say no. Yes.
No,
Yes.
no's what it's all about. Nod your head like this.
Shake a head like that. Yes.
No,
Yes.
no, shake it all about. Shaky, shaky, noddy, noddy. Shaky, shaky, noddy, noddy. Shaky, shaky, noddy, noddy.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
no, shake it all about.
See, Rocket?
Yes.
Pom. That's Foy. Quick, hide, Pom, hide.
Why?
Oh, no bath for Pom.
But bath's a tippity-toppity.
Pom, hide. Shh, secret. Shh, shh.
Okay, Pum. Ooh.
Rocket, have you seen Pom? Oh, come on, Rocket. Help me find her. It's her bath time. Yuck! No bath. Oh, Pom not like baths. Bubble guard. Pom's nose makes sneasel. Choo.
Pom!
Oh no! It's Fimbo. Quick, hide, Pom. Hide again.
Oh, there's no one here. Oh, except you, little dog. Hello. Oh, you're a friendly dog, aren't you? Do you like crackers? Would you like a cracker? Oh, would you like this cracker? Oh, well, here, you have it, little dog. I'll go and get another one. I'll see you later.
Fimbo gone. Pom like hiding. Pom hungry. Oh, Pom have couple cracker, Nodding Dog. Thank you, Nodding Doggy. Pom say yes, Cumble Cracker, and no bath.
Oh, did someone say bath?
Hello, Rolly.
Oh, hello, Pom.
Look, Pom Fimby fine.
Oh, I say, what a charming little dog.
It's Nodding Doggy, look.
Oh, so it is. Do you know, I have a lovely story about a dog. Would you like to hear it?
Yes, please, Rolly.
And how about you, Nodding Dog? Would you like to hear it? Righto, back in a roly-mo. When you take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be. Oh, now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you might see? A story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me. Here we are. Now then, are you both ready?
Yes.
Good. Then I'll begin. This story is called Old MacDonald's Dog. Once upon a time, there was a farmer called Old MacDonald who had a little dog, Patch. Old MacDonald often sang to the animals on his farm as he worked. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had one cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had one cow, E-I-E-I-O. But where's my dog? There he is, said the cow. Woof! Old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has two sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had two sheep, E-I-E-I-O. But where's my dog?
There he is,
said the sheep. Woof! Old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has three pigs, E-I-E-I-O, with a oink oink here and a oink oink there, here oink, there oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald has three pigs, E-I-E-I-O. But where's my dog?
Oink! There he is.
Said the pigs. Old MacDonald loved his cow and his sheep and his pigs. And he specially loved his little dog, Patch. There. Did you find the dog?
Yes.
Oh, good. I thought you would. Now it's time for my bath.
Ah, yuck. No bath for Pom.
Ah, baths are lovely, Pom. I can't wait. See you later, Pom.
Bye, Rolly. Pom, hide again.
Here you are, Nodding Dog. Oh, you've eaten your cracker already. Did you like it? Oh, you're a hungry little Nodding Dog, aren't you? Would you like another cracker? Would you like this cracker? Oh, well, here, you have this cracker too. I'll go and get another.
Pom, bath time.
Oh, Pom, Pompity-Pom.
Where are you?
Oh, where are you?
Let's ask Rolly if he's seen Pom.
Rolly!
Rolly!
Oh, I do love a nice, warm, bubbly bath. Ah, peace and quiet. How relaxing.
Rolly!
Oh, was that someone calling me? Oh, no, I don't think so. Ah,
Let's try one more time.
Roly!
Oh, dear. That is someone calling me, isn't it? Hello? I'm having a bath.
What did he say?
It sounded like I'm having a laugh.
Oh, here I am. Hello, you two.
Hello, Roly.
Oh, sorry, Roly. Were you in the bath?
Well, yes, I was, Florrie. But never mind. What can I do for you?
We're looking for Pom.
Pom? Oh, isn't she in the play dips with her nodding dog?
Her nodding dog?
Oh, yes, Pom found a nodding dog.
Did she?
Yes. Shall I show you?
Oh, yes, please, Rocket. Oh, bye, Roly.
Oh, goodbye. Now, back to my bath. I hope it hasn't got too cold.
Doggy, is Pom funny? Oh, yes, Pom funny. Is Pom big, that Fimble? Quick, Pom, hide again.
Here we are, little dog. Now I've got a cracker and... You haven't got a cracker anymore. You're a really hungry dog, aren't you?
Woof, yes.
Eh? Did you say something, little dog?
Woof, yes.
Would you like my crumble cracker, little dog?
Woof, yes.
Shh. Pom doesn't know I can see her. Can I ask you a very important question, little dog?
Yes.
Do you like having a bath, little dog?
Yes.
And do you think Pom should have a bath, little dog?
Yeah. Oh.
Pom, it's you.
Yes.
Ah,
Oh, there you are, Pom.
Pom.
Are you ready for your bath now? Yes.
Rub-a-dub-dub, scrubbity-scrub. I love bathing in my tub.
Come on, everyone, let's splish, splash, splosh. There's nothing to beat a really good wash.
A rub-a-dub my nose, scrub between my toes. I'm going to smell as fresh as a rose.
Come on, everyone, I think you know what I mean. It feels so good when you're really squeaky clean.
Yay! Have a good bath, Pom. Yes.
Ah, baths are lovely, aren't they? Now, who got the fimbling feeling today? It was Pom. She found a little nodding dog. And Pom didn't want to have her bath, did she? Until the little dog said yes. You could have a lovely bath today, but don't forget to wash between your toes. Now it's time for Roly Mo to go. Cheerio.
Bye-bye.